Hey guys, it's me, Natalie. So today we are doing a Ulta unboxing box. So today we have an Ulta haul unboxing that I did. I do want to say before I even start off with this that we are doing fairy stuff on my makeup page. So if you want to be a fairy or want to be fairied, if that makes any sense, you could join my makeup page. It will be down below in the description, and show your makeup all, go live if you want to, or just post pictures if you feel comfortable just posting pictures. But yeah, all you have to do is go to my makeup page, ask to be joined, and everything's in an announcement, so you can find out what to do to be able to be fairy or fairy someone else. My thumbnails be mad corny sometimes. Ooh, so much goodies. Oh man, I love me so much goodies. Okay, so the first thing I see in here is some makeup wipes because girl needed it. So I got me some makeup wipes and I cannot wait to use it because I'm almost done my other one. And then the next thing I have here is some Garnier Skin Active Moisturizer Rescue Refreshing Cream, gel cream. So yeah, I can't wait for this because I was just telling myself yesterday how I need some more face moisturizer, and look at me, already ready. I'm ready. What is this? What are you? Or what are those? Oh, what are, oh, so I got me some Peach Lily serum. Oh my goodness. Now, did I need to buy more serum? No, I did not need to buy more serum because I still have my Caprice and my other one over there that I bought from the last time I bought it. But I mean, a girl wanna have serum. A girl can't have too much, It's always good to switch up your serums anyways. But it feels nice and soft. Next thing I bought is setting spray. I know you probably was like, girl, didn't you buy setting spray the last time? Yes, I did, but it feels like it's almost empty because a girl been trying to practice. But yeah, I got some setting spray. And it probably isn't even for me. I'm just saying, it probably isn't for me. It's probably for a for someone else. Maybe I want to be a fairy. I'm just saying. I got a palette. And I love the fact that there's a butterfly right there because it's for someone. It's not for me. Then I also got these clear cover blemishes patch night and day wear tea. I have no idea, is it only one in here? I will find out because I got two, one for me and one for fairy. So yeah. And then I got this, and it has a palette. What does it have in here? So it includes a palette, a highlight, a tattoo stamp, what? A lip gloss, a hair tie, because it's a scrunchie, and a cosmetic bag. So yeah, it has a lot of goodies in here. Somebody's about to get faired. And then I got free goodies because most of these stuff comes with free goodies, and anybody know that I like free stuff. So It came with this free bag. Ooh, and it came with this Stella lashes. I think we're getting this in BoxyCharm. And I'm not confused, if I'm not confused. But I think we're getting this in BoxyCharm this month. Well, I don't know if this is going to be put up this month because I have plenty more videos to put up. But we should be getting this for June, the month of June. Okay, so I got Stella Stellar Lash. And this is what it looks like. And honestly, I got rid of some mascara and feel like I need to get rid of some more, so I cannot wait to use this. And then it came with this Weekend Vibes bag, which I think is really pretty. I'm not a bag person, but it is pretty pretty. And the next free thing I got is this bag right here. And it comes like another bag inside. There's like another something in here. Ooh. We got it a watermelon wave juicy gloss. My lips dry. Whoa. You ever like pull cheese and it like gives you that string vibe? That's exactly what just happened here. Look at, oh, you probably can't see. Thank you, Ulta. I was just telling myself how I need more clear lip glosses. I love that. And guess what? More makeup removal wipes, which is amazing because now I can just use this one and then get to that one when this one is done, when the other one is done. And this is the watermelon flavor, so I'm just saying, now I got me some more makeup wipes. Is there anything else in here? I think this bag is cute. I would say it's like a giving me like jungle vibes, Bretman Rock vibes. And my last but not least free item that is valued for $51 plus bonus samples is gonna be here. Oh my god, I love free stuff. The last video, I don't know, I'll put it right here in the card, but the last video, they gave me this mineral 7 or number NO7 thing, and it's like a booster, and honestly I really like it. Like, I really do like it. It was a hard competition between the yellow one and the blue one, and I think the blue one is still selling, so I might order the blue one. Give me some free blue samplers too. I'm just saying. So what's the first thing I'm getting? Okay. So we have a proactive deep cleaner face wash. Ooh, for acne prone skin. I like that because, you know, I'll be getting acne all right here. Those are my spots, and then I'll get it sometimes here and sometimes here. The next item is we have a Skin Bar, also 30% off 30 to 90 minutes facial. Oh, I never did that before, a facial at Ulta. 30% off. What's the next item? What are you? So we have a It's Cosmetic Confidence in Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. I'm just saying, like, I've been telling myself I need moisturizers and moisturizers and moisturizers for the face, and I'm getting it. Ooh, she getting it. Then we have another makeup wipes. then we have a Hydro Boost Face Water Gel. Oh my god, I'm definitely gonna use this. It's from Neutrogena, and like I told y'all, the #7 boost face gel thingy work lovely. And now that I got another one, I'm definitely gonna test this out, because why not? You get to test it out, and if you like it, you buy it. You buy the bigger version. We have here our Garnier Millicure cleansing water, which I do not need this, so I will put this in the giveaway. That's so weird. Anywho, I don't need this because I have my Tarte from BoxyCharm, and I also have another one over here that I bought a long time ago that I forgot that I had. Yeah, so I don't really need this one. The next item is Clinique Prep and Start Eye Cream. I was just talking to my mom about eye creams, and I might just give her this one so she can test this out, because, you know, she's telling me how she needs stuff for her eye, and her daughter gotta help her out. I've been getting her stuff for her eye anyways, any other time. We got a Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. I don't need this one because I just bought me a big one, so yeah. And then, last but not least, we have a Midnight Recovery Concentrated. I believe this is oil, and I think I already have this one. Hold on, let me check. Yeah, I definitely do. I already have this one here, so I'm going to give this one away. I haven't tested this out at all. I was going to test it out today, well, tonight, but I haven't tested this one out. Yeah, my only thing is that I thought lashes was gonna come in here. But it was the mascara, which is fine with me. So I like everything that I got for free. I may not be having everything, keeping everything. I may be ferrying it. So yeah, if you want to be ferried anytime, anyone will ferry you. Not just me. I can do it when I'm able to do it. So all you have to do is go to the down description below. Thank you for watching my mini, I can't say mini because it was a little bit bigger, my almost mini haul and mini Ulta haul. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. Bye. And honestly, I know I was lying when I told y'all that I may not be doing another one of these, but